brutal looking. I love the look. This distinctive and super sporty. The rear of the all-new GLC63 SE Performance is just an absolute menace. This look is so brutal. Hello guys, I am back today, welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all-new 2024 model Mercedes-AMG GLC63 SE Performance 4MATIC Plus. And in today's video, I want to give you a full tour of this all-new AMG SUV by doing a full walk around, afterwards checking out the inside, and then last but not least, we will be listening to the sound of this. So let me tell you more about this latest generation GLC AMG. Here coming as a 63 SE Performance. E-Performance means that it's a plug-in hybrid. We have F1 technology coming here. As an engine, we have the 2-liter 4-cylinder AMG engine, the M139, producing 476 horsepower, being the strongest and most powerful 4-cylinder on the market. And then in addition to that, we have the electric drive unit, the battery, making this a plug-in hybrid AMG. There's also the first ever plug-in hybrid AMG SUV here. It comes with a 100 kilowatt battery, giving us 204 horsepower in total. We have 680 horsepower coming from this GLC63 SE Performance. There's also the 43 version coming soon, but in general, you can compare the drive unit, the engine, with what we have already seen with the C-Class AMG. 63, 43 is both the same. We have a lot of things that I have to talk you through. We have a lot of things which I have to show you. It's also the first time for me seeing this car. We already have the base price for 63 GLC as an SUV is at 121,000 euros in Germany. But that's actually it. All the numbers and everything will be now focusing on the exterior. As an option, we have the High-Tech Silver Magno exterior paint, it's a matte finish, and we have the night package 2, you can even see that on the grille. Plus we have the aero package on this, making this super special. So let me talk about the face of the new GLC63 AMG in total. I think the GLC and in its base is already an amazing looking car, and the 63 is just brutal looking. I love the look, this distinctive and super sporty eyes here. We have the digital like headlight unit here, always coming from factory. We have the AMG so-called Panamericana front grille, the AMG-specific one, finished in black. As you can see, is a dark chrome finish. This is normal chrome on the 3D star emblem. We have the Falterbach AMG crest here instead of the star. It's really cool. AMG, Mercedes-Benz in combination. We have the V8 63 specific look here on the front bumper with the night package. Everything been finished in black, making this a amazing looking car, especially from the front. Let me just give you a quick look at the side of this GLC AMG. I'm a huge fan of the exterior paint here. Matte finish comes well so long with the AMG styling here of the GLC. On the side, the stance of this body of the GLC SUV, absolutely nice. Also with the side fenders here, with the matte exterior paint, looks so nice. We have the new Y-shaped multi-spoke wheels here in black finish. You can also go with the silver. AMG brake calipers is a base. Brakes here finished in red. We have 21 inches here on this wheel. On the side, the Turbo E-Performance badge is also finished in this dark chrome finish. On the side, these additional fenders here, because we have the aero package. Everything here has been tinted, blacked out, because we have the night package, but still the door handle's been finished here in chrome. I still don't get it. I mean, with the night package, this should be also darkened or finished in exterior paint, whatever. Because of the keyless go, it's not possible. In the back, we even have the re-axle steering. Here again, 21 inches. Super nice and fancy wheels. Pilot Sport 4 SUV Michelin wheels. Huge fan. On the right-hand side, you can actually fill up the 4-cylinder with petrol, but in this case, you have to unlock it from the inside. However, now comes my favorite part of the video, because we will be talking about the rear. The rear of the all-new GLC63 SE Performance is just an absolute menace. This look is so brutal. I mean, I've already talked you through that I love the eyes of the GLC, and the taillights of the GLC look absolutely amazing with the exterior paint here. High-Tech Silver Magno is the way to go. With the night package, we have the exhaust tips finished in black. Just look at this distinctive and super sporty look here, so nice. Since we have the aero package, we have an additional rear spoiler here, giving you the final touch. It's super fancy. The Mercedes-Benz star, this bar here full finished in black is so cool to match with the night package. AMG badge also finished in this darker chrome, and GLC63 badge finished with the red background because we have an E-Performance here. All the 63 E-Performance come with this red details. Here on the exhaust, we have them finished in black as we have the night package, also here all around. As we have the aero package, we have this additional diffuser extension, making this GLC63 rear a 10 out of 10 for me. Please rate the look of this from 1 to 10 in the comment section below. There's not a better looking SUV, compact SUV, than this. I'm a huge fan. But now let's talk about the inside before we do that. On the left hand side, you can actually charge up the GLC. AC charging, I think DC charging is an option. Let me now show you the inside. Also here with the key, AMG-specific one. You can see that, unlock, lock, and open up the trunk. Unlocking the car is already unlocked, and now stepping right inside the all new GLC63 SE Performance. We'll be giving you a very quick look at the inside before we start with the sound, because there is not a lot of things that have changed. With the 63 SE Performance, we have more options than with the 43 as usual. And the 63 you can always recognize from the yellow detailed trim here. We have the new bucket seats by AMG, a Falserbach crest here on the headrest, AMG emblem also here. I love the look of the new seats here. It was also time for an update on the seats with the yellow details also here in the inside. You can actually grab through, so there's an empty space there. These are heated seats here, looking super nice. Apart from that, we have the carbon fiber interior package and more yellow details also here on the steering wheel, finished in Dinamica Alcantara. Something that I don't like about this, I mean, imagine you pay 120,000 euros as a base price and the airbag cover comes in plastic. This has to be changed. I mean, Mercedes-Benz being a luxury company, talking so much about luxury, going the luxury way, this is not acceptable. We are now in an underground garage and you can clearly see the ambient colors here, just so fancy. Huge fan of that AMG entrance board, AMG floor mats. But now let's just jump inside. Let me give you a quick tour of my POV view and then we'll be starting it up. Let's go. The coolest thing about this is, first things first, start stop it button is right over here. We'll be starting the ignition. As soon as we do that, we have the steering wheel buttons coming alive with a nice animation here. The car always starts in comfort, and as soon as you start up the car always starts driving fully electric, depending on your battery level. If your battery is empty, obviously it won't start in electric drive mode. You can even change it to the electric drive mode. There you go. This is the electric mode. On the left hand side you have the battery hold mode, which is more efficient. On the left hand side you have the individual mode, and then last but not least the slippery. But if you want to have a more sportier drive, all you have to do is move to the right. Electric, comfort, sport, sport plus, and since we have a 63S here, race mode. Huge fan of that. Also the animation here of the race mode is super cool. On the left hand side you can change a few more things, and this here is the replacement for the exhaust on and off button. So this can actually regulate the inside sound, turn it on or off, because in the inside you have sound and also on the outside. In the inside giving you actually fake sound, honestly, coming from the speakers. It's actually, I think, a microphone at the engine or at the exhaust, and it's trying to boost the sound in the inside. At that point, for me it's fake. I just need pure sound, to be honest. But now, talking about sound, let's just go right into it and start it up. As soon as you are in Sport Plus, and when you start up the car, the engine will turn on. Putting the window down for you. 3, 2, 1. Let me just rev it a few times for you. Listen up. comment. Honestly, no comment. I think it's even louder than the C63 e-Performance AMG. I think it's louder, but at the end of the day, it's a 4-cylinder. And the AMG 4-cylinder, the latest one, sounds so bad. Honestly, I'm just purely honest with you. I really don't enjoy this sound. I really don't enjoy doing this. Normally I would show some more emotions, but it's just no emotions at all. Honestly, not a fan. Let's just jump outside, and I really want to hear it from the outside. I didn't hear it yet. Let's do that. Let's go. So it's now time, also the first time for me experiencing the sound from the outside. I told you I didn't see the car before, I even didn't hear the car before. I've only did the sound check on the C63 AMG, and I was really disappointed. But now we'll be listening to the GLC63 e-Performance. We'll be also trying to do an emotion start, okay, with the pedal hold. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Honestly, guys, this is so bad. As an AMG enthusiast, as an AMG fanboy, this breaks my heart. No comment at all. I really don't like the sound. I don't even have to ask you guys, because I know that you will also not like it. I really love the look. That's actually it. I really love the look of the exterior and interior. The sound is so bad. So the exterior design and look gets a 10 out of 10 for me. The inside is a solid 8 out of 10. I mean, it's the same that we know from all the other models, but the sound is a minus 10 out of 10. I'm so disappointed. I thought it's louder than the C. What do you guys think? Maybe it's louder when driving. We'll be doing the driving soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm so sorry, guys. It really breaks my heart. That's it.